So we're going to make a bulla, and before we begin, you need some circles. I actually have a 2-inch circle punch that are out of a thin cardboard. You just need something with a little stiffness. I have ribbons that I've already knotted and that I know fit over my head. And I have cut some foil. It does not have to be perfect. It's roughly 6 inches by 4 inches. And once you have those 3 things, the first thing you do is smooth out your foil. And in fact, when I'm passing this out to students, I pass out the foil first and I tell them they should be smoothing out their foil. They can use their fingers, they can use their school ID or whatever, but they're smoothing out their foil while I'm passing out the discs and the ribbon. And the ribbon, I tell them, or actually I've used yarn, I've used whatever, whatever is available. You want to just use string, use string. Okay, so by the time I finish handing everything out, everybody's got their foil smoothed. The first step is you take your foil, if you want the shiny side out, you flip it over, and what we want to do is make a fold so there's like an inch or more left at the top. And don't worry about any wrinkles you've got. You can smooth it out later, and it doesn't have to be neat. That's the greatest thing about this. So take it one step at a time. Make sure everybody's got their fold, and you do want one part longer. This will be the front. The front has the longer side, the back has the shorter side. You then take your disc, you put it all the way in, make sure it's all the way touching the fold. If it's not touching the fold, this will not look right. The next thing you do is fold up the corners like you're making a paper airplane. And always take this one step at a time with students, make sure everybody's got that fold. So you've made your kind of paper airplane fold. Then you're going to make folds that are kind of perpendicular to the top, right, going straight up and down, so that it will look like you've got a rectangle on top of a circle. Okay, rectangle on top of a circle. And then one last fold is you pretend you have an imaginary point in the middle. And starting all the way down at the edge of the disc, you want to fold over so that you've got like a long teardrop or upside down ice cream cone. Okay? And then once you've got that, you take your ribbon by the knot. You want to put the knot underneath in the back, and you want to start rolling the foil down over the knot as neatly as you can. Get one roll done, and then tuck in any strings you've got hanging out. And then roll it down to the edge. Do, 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 do. And then flip it over. I'm going to round out, always folding to the back, so it's fitted nicely around the circle, and you have your bulla. Ta-da! Woo!